so now we're going to get into the topic of surface area. You did surface area in grade 7 and 8. However, the grade 9 concept for surface area is stacking them and then finding the surface area. So we're going to start off by learning the previous grade's surface area, just in case, for some odd reason, you never learned this. We're going to go over this. So the surface area of a rectangular prism is the sum of the areas of its 6 rectangular faces. Look for the matching faces with the same areas because that will help you save time, and everybody likes a time saver. So, all right, so what I suggest when you have a rectangular prism is because the front and the back are the same, and the top and the bottom are the same, and the two sides are the same, just find the area of one and then double it. So for instance, the front, you can see the front here visually is a 6 by 10, which is an area of 60. So because there's 2 of them, times it by 2, you get 120 square centimeters. The top is the same as the bottom, and you can see that it is an 8 by 10, which is 80. And again, because there's 2 sides, that would be a surface area of 160. And then the left and the right side are the same. I'll just do the right side there. And that is an 8 by 6, which is 48. And if we times that by 2, because there's 2 of them, we get 96. And then the total surface area is the 3 added up, which is really the 6 added up. And that would be 376 square centimeters. And don't forget your units. Area is in square centimeters because we're doing 2 dimensions, length times width. All right, next example. It might seem redundant that we're doing so many. If you want, you can work ahead, pause it, check, and go ahead. So anyways, if I look at the front is this is the front right here. So you can see it's a 2 by 5, or I have it the other way, it doesn't really matter, which is 10. I really don't like how they do this. I'm just going to cross that off. And 10 times 2 gives me 20. Okay? So then the top, I'm going to use a different color, is that part. And that is a 5 by 3, which gives me 15. Again, I don't like how they show this stuff. So I'm just going to times it by 2, and I get 30. I'll use green for the next, which is the right or the left side, which is exactly the same. Now, so for some people that can't see that this is a 3 by 2, what I would do is, do you see this 2 right here I just circled? Rewrite it over here. Do you see it's the same length right there? So now you can see visually it's a 2 by 3. Again, it doesn't matter which one's in which side, but which is 6. Again, I don't like this, so I'm just going to put 6. And then I added up 20 and 30. And, oh, I forgot to times by 2. Nobody caught me on that one. So anyways, 20 and 30 and 12 adds up to 62, and that is centimeters squared. All right. Moving on. Oh, I guess I can fill this in here. 62. All right. I'm going to go. Now, I'm going to do this twice, and I'm going to show you a shortcut because this is a cube. A cube has all the sides the same, which means if you find the surface area of one of the sides and do what to it, you'll get what I'm doing here. So I'm going to do this once. This is a 12 by 12, which is 144. Timesing it by 2, I get 288. Again, this is the same thing over again. Again, we want time savers. So if you see this is a cube, don't do it this way. I repeat, don't do it this way. And then we add it up, and we get 864. The way you should do this is it is 6 sides, all the same, which is a 12 by 12, which is 144. 6 times 144 gives me 864. Same answer as over here, right? So 864 square centimeters. Again, time saver. All right, last page. Oh, I'm missing the last page. Hold on.